Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to review how to make a bar graph, and we'll learn it together with me in this video, and then you're going to have a turn to make your own bar graph. Okay? It will be the same process. It will just be different numbers. So watch carefully all the things that you need to have in your gráfica de barras. Okay, so let's look at our title. ¿Cuál de las vocales se usa con más frecuencia? All right, let's review what are vocales. A, E, I, O, U. Bueno. Let's look in our sentence in this rectangular box. A mí me gusta ir a la escuela a aprender. So, we need to find all of the vowels. And when we do that, we're going to go in order, okay? You need to do your work in a slow way and in order so that you keep things straight. So, what is the first vowel? Right here. Right, la A. So let's go to our sentence and we will count only this vowel, la A. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's about it. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and we're going to do tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's fix that. Let's make that look a little bit nicer, right? 6, 7. Okay, next vowel, la E. Okay, so here we go again. We're going to just count that vowel. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go over to our tabla de conteos, and we're going to put that 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Okay, la próxima vocal, la I. Okay, so we've already done la A, la E, ahora la I. All right, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, and that's it. Back to our tabla de conteos. 1, 2. Okay, ¿qué es la próxima vocal? ¿Verdad? La O. All right, let's see. No hay ninguna O. All right, so we're going to leave that box blank. No tally marks at all. Okay, y ahora la U, ¿verdad? Okay, let's count. 1, and that's it. Okay, so let's come back to our tally mark box and a 1. All right, so this is what we would call los datos, right? Estos son los datos. We are going to use them to make our bar graph, nuestra gráfica de barras. First, we need to give our graph a title, and we have to label the boxes so when somebody comes and looks at this, they can understand our graph. Okay, so first the title. What would be a good title for this bar graph? Think about it. Okay, right. The main idea is las vocales, right? All right, so we'll come up here. Las vocales. Great. Okay, so now if you'll remember from all of our practice pages, you have two areas on the graph that you need to label. Okay, so it's this area on the left. Usually that's where the numbers go. And then this area on the bottom, usually that's where the category goes, or the things you are counting. Okay, so let's start off with our category names. So we counted las vocales, right? So in this first column, we'll put la A, la E, la I, la O, la U. Okay, now do not put anything, don't put a number here, because that's actually 0. You would start in the next box, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now our graph is ready to be filled in. So, miramos a la tabla de datos. Right? Aquí está. La tabla de datos. Y empezamos con el primer dato. ¿Cuántas veces contamos la A? 7 veces. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let's see if I can change my color. Yep. Let's use, of course, my favorite color, green. So how many boxes are we going to color going up? 7. Right. And so you can see, using the numbers on the side, this won't be hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ahora la E. How many did we count? Right, 5. Usually you want to change the color. You don't have to, but usually you want to be able to see the differences in the numbers easily. So 5 barras, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ahora la I. ¿Cuántas I de la I contamos? 2. Muy bien. So let's get another color. How about something different? Blue. Okay. 1, 2. La O, nada. That was easy. We're not going to color anything in. Y la U, how many? 1. Correct. We'll go orange on that. Okay, 1. Okay. Ahora nuestra gráfica de barras está completa. Now, what you would do next with this is come up with some questions. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. So remember this, we didn't vote for anything, so we're not going to say ¿Cuántos estudiantes votaron? No, that's not what we did. We counted the number of vowels. So that's what your question would be. You could say ¿Cuántas veces contamos la vocal al? La A. And then you could answer that, right? You could say, your question could be, what vowel did we count the most of? Right, la A. And then a really good question is, what vowel did we count the least of? Right, la O. So you could just come up with your own question, and you could write it down below here. So I'll grab my pencil, and I'll say, mine might be a little bit tricky, right? Mine might be, ¿cuántas veces contamos la vocal U? Okay. Or I could even say la O. That'd be even trickier, right? Because we didn't count it at all. And that's it. So when you go to do this on your own, that's the exact process you're going to do. So right below this video, it says tu turno on the learning page, and actually it's going to be a different sentence, but you're still going to be counting the vowels, and you're still going to make the bar graph, and you're going to still try and come up with one question on